This took me 10 minutes, and this took me less than 10 minutes. Check out how I have been saving tons of time creating materials through ChatGPT. Hey folks, my name is Alexa Borota. I'm a high school English teacher, and I like to share tips with you. I like to cover all the teaching things. Let's talk teaching. I've been using ChatGPT lately, and I want to share some insight with you. In this moment, I cannot throw ChatGPT up on my board because my district has it blocked. This is probably an unpopular opinion, but I do not believe districts should be blocking ChatGPT. Does your school district block it? Please let me know in the comments. I'm just curious. I truly understand the cons of students having access to this artificial intelligence platform, but at the same time, do we take away their calculators? I think that we should be leaning into the latest technology. ChatGPT is not going anywhere. If anything, we need to be teaching them how to navigate it, but that is not what this video is about. It's about you and how you can save time creating materials for your lessons through ChatGPT. In my recent experience with it and creating lesson plans and materials, I have found that it saves me a ton of time, and it is saving me even more time over time because I am becoming better with how AI works. Over time, it's only becoming quicker. And as a teacher, my number one complaint, I don't know if this is my number one complaint, but it's definitely in my top 3, is that it's just such a time-consuming job. So for me, ChatGPT is genius, and it is pretty sweet, and I want to show you. I am going to share with you 2 examples of how I use ChatGPT this week. Material 1, this week's vocabulary packet. Material number 2, pre-class assessment questions for the entire week. In the past, it would take me a great deal of time to find examples or create examples of exactly what it was that I wanted that applied to what we were doing. If you teach, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It can be very time consuming. So lately, I have been pulling grade level, standards aligned examples from ChatGPT. If you're interested in this, you might really want to subscribe because I'm only going over 2 examples today. I do plan on, as I utilize ChatGPT more and more, going over more ways that it benefits me in my lesson planning process. Watch what I do here and you decide if you can make this work for you. I know you can. For this week, I wanted to create a vocabulary packet, a printed vocabulary packet. I really haven't had much luck of the online platforms that exist for practicing vocabulary, not the free versions anyway. I find that the amount of effort I put into trying to find what I need online, I could put that same amount of effort into a personalized vocabulary packet that is a much better fit for my babies. Here's how I created the vocabulary packet in 10 minutes. First, I just log into ChatGPT through my Google account. I then ask ChatGPT to create for me the various types of vocabulary practice I want my students to do using their vocabulary words. This here is an example of me asking it to create 20 fill-in-the-blank sentences for those particular vocabulary words. When working with vocabulary words, it's really important to make sure that each word is being used in the right context. As you can see, it is very quickly providing me with these 20 fill-in-the-blank sentences that all I have to do is copy and paste. You can get as specific as you want. For example, right now I'm asking it to create me 20 fun questions for teenagers to answer using the following prescribed words. Now, when I'm all done, I've asked it to generate all of the questions I want it to generate. I will now go to my Google Docs and I will pull up a template that I will use weekly or bi-weekly so that all I have to do is copy and paste my examples. And this is one of the real time savers right here. I highly suggest, if you don't use templates, to create some. Now here I go. I just go ahead, I highlight, and I carefully paste it onto my template. Just, make sure you are rereading everything before you give it to your students because ChatGPT certainly is not perfect and it will make mistakes. Here is just one more example for you. I ask it here to create me a fill-in-the-blank paragraph about a teenager's life in high school using some of their vocabulary words. Do a little copy paste. And here it is, all copy and pasted from ChatGPT. What? That's it? It's so easy. Material number 2, little pre-class warm-up action. My warm-up question theme for this week are pre-assessment questions because my 11th graders have state testing next week. Oh, the Ides of March. Now, just like with my vocabulary packets, I use a template. This makes the process even faster. It always does. Templates are nice. But students, I feel, perform higher in all areas when they know what to expect when they see something that they've seen before. Here we go, back on ChatGPT. I'm now asking it to create me 20 multiple choice questions that ask about theme, author's purpose, tone, mood, and I'm also asking it to align with New Jersey state standards for 10th and 11th graders. Do I need 20 assessment questions? No, but I like having 20 to choose from. Now, all I have to do is highlight the ones that I want to use, go to my template, and paste them. And in under 10 minutes, here we have our finished product. And that's it. All I did was I copied and pasted right from ChatGPT into my template, and boom, I was done. Stay tuned for more tips as I uncover them, for more materials as I create them. Thanks for watching. Bye.